IBM API Connect makes it easy to define, manage, and leverage existing APIs. In this example, we'll use the GitHub API to show how quickly you can start creating and testing APIs with API Connect on IBM Cloud. Let's start by creating a catalog from the API Connect dashboard. The catalog will allow you to organize your APIs and manage access. Next, open the Drafts panel and create an API definition. You can enter any name you want for the title. The base path is essential here, as it sets the starting point for the request path property that you can use when designing your API. We will look more into that property and context variables in the next step, so clear its valuable for now. Once you create the API, you can start defining its features in the design view. There's a lot here, so we'll stick to the basics of creating and manipulating paths. Click Paths in the left navigation bar to start creating a new path. Paths help to build the request path variable. Define a path called Organizations to correspond to the organization's resource on api.github.com. An HTTP GET method will be added for this path automatically, but you can specify any HTTP verb you would like, and you can add multiple verbs as well. The gateway will use a combination of a verb and a path to choose the corresponding action to execute. Save the design and head over to the API assembler. Click the Invoke statement and change the target URL to api.github.com. This will be a concatenation of our base path and the path of our specific request. Now, anytime you call the organization's route on our gateway, it will call to api.github.com organizations. Save the assembly and then hit the right-facing arrow above the central assembly screen to test your API. This publishes the API into a catalog. Select the Get Organizations operation and then hit the blue Invoke button at the bottom. Ready to start drafting your own APIs? Sign up for a free trial today.